Sorry about that, a friend called. So I wanted it to take here, so here, okay, this liquidity, and then where will the main TP, right? You see this here. Okay, why there? I'll show you in a bit. So I hold my sell, and okay, it went as planned. Okay, and then I missed this buy actually, but if you caught it, good for you, and if you can see it, good for you. So what, simple, keep it simple. I saw this, one touch there, two touch, draw a trend line, guess what happened? And then we have a here, okay, this one here, it's like a mini shoulder there, okay, right, and guess what, sorry, boom, it came there, okay, it didn't exactly came there, but yeah, it went for the trend line. And SMC point of view, the POI here, but yeah, I missed this because I was out, and yeah, and then it went up to where? So as you see, if you need to understand is, in H4 it already broke the structure here and in H1 too, you can see it clearly, right? It broke structure here, so you could have caught the sell here, the buy here, and then it broke this structure here. So what I mark is, I mark here, okay, the shoulder, and of course the apex, right here. So I went to the H4. First I went to daily, okay, so alright, nothing interesting in the daily, so I went to the H4, okay. And what do we have? We have this, okay, we have this here, right? And if you see price close below, so whenever price goes below, we understand that H4 storyline is begin, right? Okay, and went to the H1, okay, I refine it to here, here, still in the H4 basically, right? And then yeah, it came there, and finally we have this fresh H1 here inside here, where you can refine. See this, right? Okay, oh yeah, sorry. Fresh M15, sorry. So yeah, it's here, this one here, it's fresh, remember? Okay, right? And then when price came there, is H1, right? I didn't enter the sell straight away, so I saw this. If you took it here, you can take it here. So basically price has played out here. M5 we get the first entry, and then in M15 it broke structure, so that's where it caught my interest. And you can see, right? M15 here, okay. Then we have this, you want to play safe, you can put it as well here, or here, above there, and yeah, so entry would be there, and 15, or you can use the line chart. You don't want to take it here, right? Okay, what you can do is just draw this, right? As you can see, it came first, it took this line chart here, where the M5 was, right? Yeah, see how we took there, so that it's already taken. So the next fresh one, you see it's aligned with the M15 PY, right here, okay. Simple, tighter entries, so put your sell limit there, okay, and then boom, SL you want to put it above here, and then yeah, and then I hold this cell pretty sure you saw in my stories, I hold the above one and the down one, which I layered here, and I hold. Because why? I wanted it to take this whole thing up because of H4 broke structure, H1 broke structure, right? And then H4 rejected H4. I wanted it to come to H4, so I wanted to come to at least here. Okay, but since I knew this was broke the structure, so I wanted it to take this one out here, because this one didn't break the structure, right? That low didn't break any structure. This is a weak low. Okay, we can use that term, and this is a strong high, right? And now, so basically I wanted to come to this H4 support here as a safe TP, but I wasn't too keen on buying there. But and then it broke through, right? So we are done. It broke the structure, and then we have a lot of liquidity here. So and then so that's that. So that's this basically my bias for the week, because I wanted to take this one here because it broke the structure. Simple as that. And that's how I find using SNR and SMC, we can combine it and there. And then what else? So we could have caught this one too. This one here. See how it broke structure, right? We have here one safe TP first for sell. Okay. Yep. So you can see it rejected here, gave us buy, but I didn't take it. And then what? I took the sell earlier here today. So basically price just consolidating here, right? Just building liquidity for it to take later in the future. So M15 H1. I just simply took this sell here. Okay, because it broke the structure here. But I knew it was kind of risky, so let's see. So I put a 7 million. Simple as that. Came around 40 pips. I closed a little bit, and then it just spiked up and hit my BE. So and then I had this marked up. I didn't take because I forgot to put a buy limit, and then my phone died while I was out here. Okay, why here you're asking? Because you see this. See how it broke the structure. Okay. So mark here, right? And then I went to the M15. So I played a lot of low time frame here. I saw this POI, right? This POI here. So I just marked the M15 support. So basically this. Okay. And then SL could be here. But even this, it just give a quick around entry here. Sorry. Entry be around here, right? Okay. And then SL be here. Small SL. And then it went to around somewhere here. So 1852 21858 3 4 5 6 7 8. You give around 60 to 70 pips. 70 pips. So by 50 pips I would have closed like half, because I knew it's still bearish, right, in H1 time frame coming from the daily. So so I knew this was just like an intro buy. So around 50 pips I would have closed like half and then let the rest run, or more than half, depends on you, right? So and then it finally took out, and it took out all this structure here. So took out all the structure here. So I'm probably waiting next week somewhere around here, and I have this trend line confluence too, actually. But yeah, nothing really much yet. So I'm just going to wait for down here. So till then, just enjoy the journey. So yeah, have a good weekend, bros. Stay safe.